guys, what's up? This is Blaze the Movie Fan, and it's time for another movie review. This time I will be reviewing the new Superman movie. Now first things first, I'm gonna have to be honest, I'm not a big fan of James Gunn. I find him very overrated. Although the Guardians of the Galaxy movies are good, I find them some of the most overrated movies out there. I do enjoy them, but I don't think they are as great as so many people say they are. I feel the same way about the Suicide Squad. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of James Gunn's movies. I don't think they're awful, but I don't think they're as great as so many people say they are. I wasn't excited for this movie, to be honest with you. But I have to be honest, I was pleasantly surprised. Not only is this movie a lot better than I thought it would be, it's also, without a doubt, James Gunn's best movie, in my opinion. Is it as good as Man of Steel? No, not even close. But it's still a pretty damn good movie. Now let's talk about the characters. First I'm going to talk about Superman, played by David Corenswet. He's not the best Superman, not by a fucking long shot, but I have to admit, he's still a good Superman. He's a good, generous guy, and it's clear that he wants the best for humanity. Christopher Reeve and Henry Cavill are much fucking better as Superman, in my opinion. But he did a good job. Now I'm going to talk about Lex Luthor, played by Nicholas Hoult. My fucking god, I was pleasantly surprised by this movie. Fucking finally, a Superman movie that actually does Lex Luthor justice. I mean, Lex Luthor was good in 1978 Superman movie. I mean, he wasn't perfect, but he was still solid. But in literally every other fucking theatrical Superman movie, it was fucking awful. So it's good to see a Superman movie that finally does him justice. Not only is this a good version of Lex Luthor, I would go as far as to say that it's the best fucking version of Lex Luthor in history of theatrical Superman live action movies. Yeah, I say it. This guy doesn't fuck around. He's fucking determined to prove that Superman is a threat, and he does everything in his power to do just that. Though I have a problem with what he discovered, which I will be talking about later. Now I'm going to talk about Lois Lane, played by Rachel Brosnahan. I'm going to have to be honest, no matter what material, I am not a huge fan of Lois Lane. Overall, I just don't find her that interesting. Though I will admit, the actress who plays her in this movie did a solid job. As for the character herself, well, she is still just okay, even in this movie. Now I'm gonna be honest with you. When I first saw the movie in theaters, I thought it was pretty fucking awesome. But now, after rewatching it for this review, I no longer think it's one of the best movies of the year, not by a fucking long shot. So what are my problems with the movie? Well, let's discuss. One big problem that I have with this movie is that there are far too fucking many characters. This might seem like a nitpick, but I personally think it's unnecessary how many characters are in this movie. And I'm not talking about minor background characters or characters with minor roles. No, there are many characters in this movie that played a huge fucking role, and there are just too many of them. That got very damn distracting. And another big problem that I have with this movie is I can't talk about it without spoiling it. So I'm gonna go into spoiler territory, but don't you worry. Don't you worry. I will put a spoiler warning beforehand so you know when you can skip around in this video. So here goes. Now, apparently Lex Luthor exposed Superman's biological parents for apparently saying more than what Superman heard. They also said later on that they want Superman to be a fucking tyrant or some shit like that. Well, that doesn't sit well with me. Because Superman's biological parents are supposed to be good people. They're supposed to be people with good intentions who want to send Superman to Earth so he can be a fucking hero. That's exactly how it's like in good Superman material. Now honestly, if last part of the message was fake, I would understand and be on board with that. Lex Luthor is nasty, I can't see him doing stuff like that. However, as it turns out, the message that they want Superman to be a tyrant on Earth was completely fucking real, and that just doesn't sit well with me. There is no point in the movie where it's revealed that Lex Luthor was just making stuff up. What the fuck? Now it's time for my overall thoughts. Honestly, man, if I were to review this movie, the moment I was done watching it in theaters, I probably would have said that it's a fucking awesome movie and one of the best of the year. However, I don't think it's one of the best of the year anymore. It's a good, solid movie, and there are certainly more things that I like about it than I hate about it. But in the long run, it's just a solid movie. It's not great. I'm still gonna give it 2 thumbs up though, since It is James Gunn's best movie. But just don't expect me to talk about it in my favourite movies of 2025. It won't be happening anymore. Thank you for watching and have a great day.